Alright, so this is letter K. Which points on the graph of y equals 4 minus x squared are closest to the point 0, 2? Alright, so for this, you're finding distance, so you want to use the distance formula, which is going to be d equals the square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. So here we have our graph with the answers here, but we're going to go through this step by step. So first, using the distance formula, we know that we want to find the closest to 0, 2 on 4 minus x squared. So what we do is we'd enter in, or we'd write 0 plus x squared, and then plus 2 minus 4 plus x squared, and then we're going to square that. And then when we add things up, this will simplify to x squared plus, in parentheses, x squared minus 2 squared. Alright, so now what we could do, we could FOIL this, which will become x squared plus, and then you should get x to the 4th when squaring that, plus 4, and then minus 4x squared. And then that, we could break that up even more, and then actually what we could do, we'll cross that out. We'll set the distance equal to that, and then we could square both sides. So it's going to be d squared equals x to the 4th minus 3x squared plus 4 after squaring this. And so then you want to take the derivative of all of these, and you'll get 4x to the 3rd minus 6x. And then you want to set that equal to 0 like we have with our other derivatives. And we can factor out 2x, and then inside the parentheses will be 2x squared minus 3. And then we set that up equal to 0. And so then we determine that x could be 0 or plus or minus root 3 over 2. So now that we have all of these, we could plug them in to this equation, and that means we'll get 0, the point 0.04 root or 3 square root of 3 over 2, not root 3 over 2, but square root of 3 over 2, comma, and then you'll get 5 halves when you plug that in, and then you'll get negative root 3 over 2, comma, 5 halves for there. So in the end, when we draw everything out and we graph it, you'll get a point here at square root of 3 over 2, comma, 5 over 2, square root of negative 3 over 2, or negative square root of 3 over 2, comma, 5 over 2, and then you'll get 0, 4. And these 3 points are the closest ones here to 0, 2.